Dear Slovenian friends, your country will have an historical election on the 3rd of June. We would like to recommend you to vote for Slovenian National Party, SNS. My name is Valerio Cignetti. I'm from Italy. I'm the Secretary General of the Alliance of European National Movement. As a true European nationalist, we are working to create a strong and safe Europe of free nations, instead of a weak and dangerous Europe, United States. We support the traditional European value, the original European culture and national community, instead of neoliberal, multiculturalism, forced immigration and globalist interest. For long years, the Slovenian partner of INM has been SNS, the only honest nationalist party in Slovenia. Therefore, we wish that Zmago Jelinčić and the Slovenian National Party re-enter the Slovenian parliament to save Slovenia and put a smile on the face of many Slovenian people. Srećno Zmago, srećno Slovenia.